Hello everyone, today we are going to present you a quick installation guide for this product. Before you start the setup, you need to have a few of these ready to make sure that you connect without errors. Warm notice. Keep your Wi-Fi host timer, Wi-Fi gateway, smartphone, router close to each other to ensure a strong Wi-Fi signal. How to install app on your phone. Connect your phone to the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. Search RainPoint Home on App Store or Google Play, or scan the QR code to download the app. Submit registration or log in with an existing account. How to connect the gateway. Power on the Wi-Fi gateway with a Type-C USB cable and place it close to the router and timer. Press and hold the button until the Wi-Fi connecting indicator light flashes blue quickly. Open the RainPoint Home app to select Add Device. Find HWG023 WDRF and follow the app instructions to complete the connection. How to connect the timer to the gateway. Insert 4 new AA alkaline battery into the battery compartment of the timer. Tap the gateway icon on the app homepage to enter the gateway homepage, and tap Add Device, and then tap Add New Devices to add the Wi-Fi timer. Find and select HTV245FRF to add it. Press and hold the button on the timer until the red LED indicator flashes rapidly, 2 times per second. Then click Next, and it will start pairing the timer automatically. 5. Connection done. Attach the timer to the outdoor faucet, hand tighten only, and then you can program your timer on the RainPoint Home app. 3. Irrigation modes. Normal irrigation mode. Interval irrigation mode. Cycle and soak mode. Five. Watering frequencies. Everyday / odd days / even days / interval / custom. 2 ways for manual watering will not interrupt in your watering schedule. 24 divided by 48 divided by 72 rain delay. Seasonal adjustment. Adjust your watering schedule by month. Create smart scene. You can make your irrigation system perfect